But leaving your hair in that ponytail for multiple days is like leaving your hair in a wash and go style. For those of you who can't get more than a couple days out of a wash and go style, bad, 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 bad. So this isn't as much of a question as it is my point of view on women who have a kinkier texture that wear their hair in a ponytail throughout the week. Bad, 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 bad. So a ponytail can be considered a wash and go. So leaving kinky curly hair on your wash day or your co-wash and slicking it back in a ponytail is great. But leaving your hair in that ponytail for multiple days is like leaving your hair in a wash and go style. For those of you who can't get more than a couple days out of a wash and go style, is essentially bad, 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 because you're just leaving your hair to tangle up and lock up. And again, remember I've told you that wash and go styling is only beneficial for kinkier textures if they're done frequently in the shower, incorporating your entire hair care and styling routine into the shower. And if not, then you're essentially setting yourself up for hair to be locked up and dried out. Because all a tangle is for kinkier textures is a pre-lock. And if you go natural and you don't want to lock your hair, then you do wash and go style to prevent your hair from locking up. And so locks don't come from white people with flat, straight, oily hair. Locks don't come from your hair after you've blown out and done a silk press after 5, 7, 10 days. Because your hair's straight. It's just a fundamental shape of each strand on your head which determine whether that hair texture and those strands are going to lock up and tangle and lock up. Because when you go to detangle them after multiple days, you're going to be breaking hair, and breakage is never good. Again, if you want to wear your hair in a ponytail and slick it back, that's the easiest way to get out the house, but you're going to assume that you're doing a wash and go style the next day. So your wet ponytail, you can leave the house, you can sit on a dryer, throw some mousse on your slick back, and it'll dry that fast. And then the next day, you'll repeat the same process. You'll rinse your hair, you'll detangle it with conditioner, and you'll slick it back in a ponytail and put your mousse on. It's the repetitiveness of that. So you have a right to be lazy, but you have to be intentional about what lazy is for your hair texture. All right? So happy protective styling and happy ponytails. Don't tear your hair up though. So if you like these videos, I hope that you click like and subscribe and go to hairrules.com for further education and find a regimen and products that are specific to your hair texture, not someone else's. And so every day can be a great hair day. And yeah, see you soon.